everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Heaven Max reviews? If yes, then watch this unbiased review that will help you to decide either you should use this platform or not, because the website is getting attention of online customers from all over the world, especially from United States. So let's check out the detail. Heaven Max is a website that have collection of products, like it is loaded with latest fashion trends. Customer can get their desired clothing and accessory from this store, as it has young team of professionals. Beside that, Heaven Max is the man fashion website where you will find luxurious fashion items such as shoes, belts, bottom, polo t-shirts, hoodies, shorts, pants, and sports shoes and sport suits and outwears, etc. It provides multiple discount offers such as 5% off on first order, 5% off on order over $59, and 15% off on the purchase above $149. Let's check out the specification of the website. It is HTTP secured website. It was created on 18 January 2021. The email address they have shared, but no contact detail have been disclosed. Physical address have been shared. If you want to enjoy free shipping, you're supposed to order over $79. The estimated delivery time is about 5 to 12 business days. For return, you have 30 days, like you can enjoy 30 days return policy. They have multiple payment method like Visa card, MasterCard, and PayPal. The positive factors of buying from Heaven Max are: the website is HTTPS protected. The site holds positive shoppers remarks on it. It provides free shipping if you shop over $79. The site holds a wide collection of fashionable items for men. It is providing exclusive sale on its product. The presence of domain-based email ID is a good sign. Negative factor of buying from Heaven Max are: the website omitted to mention the contact number. The site is not even 1 year old. The mentioned social media page links are misleading. The site's return and refund policy are rigid. So the question is Heaven Max legit? As we are checking out the criteria for the legitimacy, so let's check out in depth. As we discussed, it was created on 18 Jan 2021 and its expiry date is coming soon. Like it was registered just for 1 year. It will expire on 18 Jan 2022. As the website holds all the positive reviews on it, but we found negative reviews on Trustpilot. As far as its social media connections are concerned, the mentioned links are misleading as they will take you to some other brand page, but we have also found its official page during our research. As far as content quality is concerned, it is of weak quality. It has poor Alexa ranking. Trust score is 1%. Trust rank is 8.6%. The website has multiple discount offers available. The mentioned address of the company seems scam, not original. As we discussed, the customer reviews on the website are positive, but we found negative reviews on other online sources. So in our final conclusion of discussion, we can say that this clothing website seems questionable as it has received negative customer remarks from the customers. So we are not recommending you at all to shop anything from this store, but if you still want to shop, we recommend you to make a thorough research on your own behalf before making any purchasing from this store, so you may not lose your money. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.